Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I have got an unboxing for you, and it is Birchbox for January 2019. I've also got two other boxes which have arrived today. So I've got my latest in beauty, and I think it's my Love Lula. So I think I'm going to open the Love Lula tomorrow, and then I'll do the latest in beauty the day after that. So do make sure you come back and check those out too. So I'll pop those out the way, but I think I'll do the Birchbox because that's doing the rounds at the moment, so you can see what I've got and check out everyone else's as well. So yeah, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It is £10 a month, £2.95 postage and packaging. You should get 5 products. Sometimes you get a full size, often the sample sizes, but they are usually quite nice brands, often new brands that you may not have heard of before, or contain new products of existing brands. I've discovered a lot of new companies through Birchbox, and that's why I quite like it. So often the samples are small, but they are often nice samples, so I don't have too much of a problem, and I think they've been pretty good recently, to be honest. Look at the box. It's very, very pretty. So it is, well, I don't know what these designs are, but they're sort of just splodgy, and I love it. It's quite sort of citrusy and fresh looking. Little bits of gilt, and it's got the Birchbox sign here. And the thing with Birchbox, 9 times out of 10, they are this drawer design. So they've been good today. They have put the information leaflet on the top, so I'm going to slide that out. Ooh, it looks full, and I'll let you see my products. So there we are. I'm going to pop it down, and I am going to have a little read and see. So it says, shake your pom-poms, ooh, misses. So let's have a little look and see. So it says, hello Birchboxers, ready to bring some cheer to the new year. Welcome January the right way by joining us to shake your pom-poms as we get excited for the year ahead. Forget the grey weather. This month's Birchbox has been specially designed to make even the gloomiest of days feel more vibrant. 2019, let's do this. So yeah, what a great way to start the year. And so I suppose are these pom-poms? Maybe. So every month as well with Birchbox, you do get to choose usually maybe like shades or something, so they'll give you a sneak peek. Then you get an email saying, please make your selection. Do you want A, do you want B, or do you want C, which is surprise me. So I usually choose which shade I want, and this month I can't remember what it was, if it was a blusher or an eyeshadow, but we'll see. And I remember choosing the shade, but I can't remember what I chose. There is a sneak peek for February, so I'm going to show you that now, and it is a full size lock, which is Love of Colour, a liquid shimmer shadow, and we get to choose either between Eclipse or Moonlight, so that'll be quite nice. That's that there. Also, to let you know, I had an email today on from Birchbox letting you know that anything in their sale, I think there's free postage today, so if you want to pick something up, it might be worthwhile having a little look so you don't have to pay the P&P. Right, so let's get into this box and see what we've got. So first thing we have is this, and this is by After Spa, and it is a facial micro scrubber. RRP is £7, and it's a full-size item, and it says, when it comes to washing your face, your cleanser will work a lot harder with a sidekick. This dual texture facial tool helps to remove the dirt, oil and impurities in your skin that your hands can't. Apply your usual cleanser, then work the damp scrubber over your skin. Rinse clean and hang to dry when you're finished. So I have had one of these in another box previously, and I wasn't a massive fan, so I'm not going to open this one because I think I might pop it into a box for a giveaway in the future. But basically, yeah, it's a bit like a little mitt, and you sort of pop your fingers inside the mitt, and then you can use it a bit like a glove to cleanse a little bit better. I suppose if you didn't want to use it on your face, you can maybe use it on your thighs and things to sort of help cleanse them when you're using any sort of exfoliator or just your shower gel. But yeah, from the one that I had before was really scratchy. This one might be a nicer one, but I tend to use muslin cloths a lot, and I've been sent a facial scrubber to review, an electronic one, so I'm going to be reviewing that soon coming up, so I shall let you know. Unless I keep this, I can do a comparison. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this and I'll do a comparison of the electric one versus this. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and come back for that. So next thing we've got is this. It's an Essence Moonlighter Cushion Hybrid Sharing Technology by CLE. And this is the one that we got to choose last month. So this says, infused with luminescent pearl powder, this innovative highlighter delivers a beautiful gleam to your skin. Plus it has an amazing cooling sensation when applied, using the applicator puff on your fingers, or your fingers, smooth onto your cheekbones, down your nose and beneath your brows for instant radiance. Glow, get it. RRP is for £22 and it is a full size product. So open it up. There is a mirror, got a little powder puff, and then you've got a cover here. Open that up, and then inside here you've got, inside it is covered. Take the cover off, and here we go. So it is a cushion product. So we'll get the little pad, let me pop some on. So there we go. And then, oh, it is cold. Wow. Ooh, look at that. That is amazing. So try it with a finger. So that's it on there. And that is really pretty. I'll probably use that as a lid colour. I do like that. Oh, hang on, let me put it back together. And the mirror's a bit dirty. I wonder if it's got a protective film on it. I don't know. But yes, so there we go. This is going to be a messy product because it's white. But that is so nice. I do like it. Next thing we've got is this Dr. Botanicals. And it is a cleansing bar in pomegranate, superfood or cocoa and coconut. So this is cocoa and coconut. It is a full-size product worth £5.90. Gentle enough for face and body. This is more than your average bar of soap. Formulated with 98% natural ingredients, it will cleanse, exfoliate and restore your natural glow. Lather using your hands, massage in and rinse clean to reveal a natural radiant complexion. It's cleansing at its simplest and most effective. So I do like a bar of soap. I'm trying to get more of these sort of like natural soaps. I think it helps to reduce a bit of plastic waste with your sort of facial washes and things. So yeah, it's something to consider. Definitely like in the bath. I quite like it in the bath. And this looks like a piece of stone. Look at that. It looks amazing. It smells really lovely. And you can just tell it looks like a really nice natural product. So that looks really, really lovely. So I am excited to try that. Next thing is a mascara by Douce, and it is a Max Lash Volumizer mascara. It looks like it's a sample size, sort of like the half sizes. Full size with RRP for £18. And it says, if you're looking for maximum volume when it comes to your lashes, then this mascara will help you out. Large fibre bristles coat each lash with the carbon black formula to add depth, length and dimension. Slick on one coat for a little daytime oomph or layer up for extra impact after hours. So let's have a look. Ooh, it is a big, serious, fat wand. So that is going to deliver some impact, you can just tell. So hopefully that will give me some lashes, because my lashes are little short stubs. Next thing we have is by Philip Kingsley, and it is a flaky / itchy scalp shampoo. It's not very big. It is 20 mils, so it might do me once or twice perhaps, but that's it there. Full size with RRP for £24. It's a 4+ star review on Birchbox. Want strong shiny hair? Well, get to the root of the issue by showing your scalp some TLC. This soothing formula gently cleanses the skin on your head, so it's effectively an extension of the skin on your face to leave it soft and healthy like your strands. Just massage thoroughly into your scalp, then rinse clean. So it sounds like it's more of a scalp treatment rather than an actual hair shampoo. Let's have a little look. Oh, so yeah, it's a gel. I love Philip Kingsley. Smells beautiful. So I'm really excited to try that. I used the Scalp Detox by Grow Gorgeous, and a lot of people didn't like it. I really loved it, and my hair felt amazing afterwards. This might be something that you want to try, because I don't think this is gritty like the Grow Gorgeous product is. So this should probably be a bit easier to rinse out. So I'm really interested to try that and see if I notice a difference in my hair. Next thing is a bit peculiar. We have these little bobbles, and this is an extra, so it's not part of the box as such, but a little freebie, I think. Ponytails, braids and top knots. When you need to pull your hair back, it's likely that you do it in a variety of ways, so I rely on your boring black hairband to tie it up. Inspired by this month's box theme, these pom-pom topped hair ties are a colourful finishing touch to whatever hairstyle you're rocking. They might have been nice at Christmas time. Not sure I'll wear them. I'll either save them for work for next year for Christmas, or I'll probably give them to my niece or someone that's got like a daughter or something that I work with, but I'm not sure that they're for me. But you never know, but probably not. But they're freebie extra, so I'm not worried. And finally, I've got a little extra product in my box, which means that one of you lovely people has used my referral code last month. So thank you very much. It's by Ciate. It is a bamboo bronzer, 2.2 grams. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background, but Leeds United are on the telly playing, and I can hear my son and husband making a few man noises. So yeah, so look at this. This is really cute. So the Ciate on the front, it's got his little bow, and then inside there is a little bow also. It looks like the sort of shade that'll suit my skin colouring. It looks quite pale. So that's it there. It looks like a nice peachy brown. Try and find somewhere I can pop it. So that looks a really nice bronzy shade. So if you're fair, this might be a really nice product for you to try. Nice size to travel with too. And I'm going on holiday next month, so that one might make it into my travel makeup bag. So yeah, so that's all my products. So let me just do a little recap. So of course the Ciate bronzer, but that was a little freebie, so not everyone will have one of those. I've got the Philip Kingsley scalp treatment, the Dr. Botanicals, which I love that brand, their coconut and cocoa superfood reviving and exfoliating cleansing balm. Really excited to try that too. This highlighter sponge thing, which is just insane. That might be really nice again in the summer as well, along your collarbones and things. Just make on your shoulders if you've got like a little top on. That could be really pretty. They do say mascara, which looks like a big fat lash mascara. Bizarre bubbles for clowns. And this facial scrubber mitt thing. So yeah, those are my products. So I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing. If you've subscribed to my channel already, that's fantastic. If you haven't, please, you know, hit the subscription button, hit the bell, and then you can join in with me as I go along my YouTube journey, doing my beauty unboxings, Slimming World journey, plus other bits and bobs that I do along the way. So yeah, I'd love to have you join me, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Hello, welcome. I hope you're enjoying my channel so far. I love making these videos for you all, and I just like talking really, I think. So yes, there we go. Let me try and get a semi-professional shot of my products. I'm never a professional YouTuber. I just don't succeed at it, but there we are. those are my products this month. So I do think that is a nice box for £10, I really do. So some interesting things to try. Pretty box to keep. They're always really, really nice boxes from Birchbox. So that's it. So have you got your box? What did you get? Was it the same? What was it different? Or if you haven't got it, are you thinking about subscribing? Are there any questions you want to know? Don't forget, over on Birchbox at the moment, they have got free postage on all their sale items. I'll pop a link to Birchbox down below and you can just click through and have a look. I'm not sure if it's just for today or if it's extended beyond that. And that's your jolly lot. So do make sure that you pop back over the next couple of days to see the rest of my unboxings. I think that's my last 2 boxes to come, like tomorrow and the day after. That'll be it then for January, and then we can maybe start trying some products out. So if there's anything in any of the beauty boxes that I'm unboxing this month that you'd like to have a review on, please do let me know. I'm quite happy just to do that. There often can be quite sort of quick videos and things, and yeah, and I'm happy to try them out for you and give you my thoughts and opinions on them. So there we go. Have a great evening, guys. See you all again next time. Bye.